guys, it's Third Try here, back with another video, and today we got our fidget spinners and our scooters.
And doing fidget spinner versus
scooters
and skate park.
Yeah.
Jones barbecue and foot massage. Jones barbecue and foot massage. Jones barbecue and foot massage. Jones barbecue and foot massage.
Okay, here we go, Chase. Just riding around the skate park. This is Chase doing the jump. Pretty cool. Okay. Peace out.
Okay, we're just on the grind here. Just on the grind. He's going on the pole. He's going this grind right here. Go on this one here. Nice. Nice. All good. All good up.
Now here's Chase trying to grind.
Still obviously on the grinds after 10 hours. Still doing the grinds. Oh, can I have a go now?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Let's go half pipe.
Soon.
Okay. Oh, close.
That one was really clean, but I didn't finish it.
Let's go. Oh, almost dead on.
Oh!
Rad, bro.
Still works?
Okay, let's test it down this one.